In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outer tie rod ends on this Volkswagen Tiguan. These are going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. In the back, behind this cover, just twist to the left, pop that out. You can see where this is held down. We're just going to pop this holder off, pull the jack out. There's a utility bag right here. Open up the utility bag. And you want to find this pick. We're going to use that. Now take the hook tool that you got out of the back. And we're going to take these caps off. Pull those off. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to take these lug bolts off. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel, prevent it from falling. And then grab the wheel, slide it off. We're going to loosen up the jam nut. Use a 24mm wrench. Just crack that free. That's good. Using an 18mm socket, take this nut off. Right, that started spinning. That's okay. This is on there pretty tough. We're just going to heat that up so we can get that off. There we go. Got it. So just put a pry bar to pry down the tie rod and then try to get it out that way. If that doesn't work, you can use a T40 socket to hold the stud and then use an 18mm wrench and try it that way. This is loose. We didn't have to pop this out with a hammer or any front end tools, so we can just pop that out. I'm just going to use some locking pliers on the inner tie rod just to keep it from spinning. And we're going to spin off the outer. Make sure you count the threads. 1, 2, 3. If you need to, you can use some pliers just to get this going a little easier. That's 4. 5, 15, 16, 21, 22. Write that number down. Take the outer tie rod, get it started. Count your turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Get the jam nut closer. Push the tie rod through the knuckle. Take the nut, get that started. Use a pry bar. Just pry down on the tie rod. And tighten this up. Get that snug. Now torque this to 36 foot-pounds. Now tighten up the jam nut. And if you can torque this with a torque wrench, you want to go to 51 foot-pounds. There we go. That was a quick and easy job that you can do yourself. And afterwards, you want to bring the vehicle to a local shop to have it aligned so you don't have premature tire wear. Now install the wheel. Get that lined up. That's good. The lug bolt started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check. Now we can put the caps on. And just push those on. I'll take the pick tool, put that back in the utility bag, wrap this up. And just tie it up. Place that back inside here. I'll take the jack, get that lined up. This little tie down. Just pull that through. Take the door. Slide the two little tabs in the base and then twist it closed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.